PDP National Campaign urges President Buhari not to succumb to pressure from Akeredolu and APC. The PDP National Campaign Council for Ondo governorship election has reviewed all prospects relating to the Saturday election in Ondo State and affirms that our candidate, Eyitayo Jegede, enjoys the greater support of the overwhelming majority of Ondo people and is indisputably in good stead for victory on Saturday. This is despite the recourse to violence, threats, hate comments, intimidation, killings, as well as a desperation by the APC and its G3 governorship candidate, Governor Rotimi Akeredolu, to manipulate government institutions to work against the will of the people and rig the election for himself and APC. Our campaign had earlier alerted of a desperate move by the APC to drag in certain officials of the Buhari presidency, as earlier boasted by Governor Akeredolu's self-confessed thug, Isaac Kekemeke, who exposed that Governor Akeredolu plots to use violence and federal might to muzzle the election against the wishes and aspirations of the people of Ondo State. Such boasts, coupled with Governor Akeredolu's thoughtless threats and declaring Ondo citizens as his enemies for life, for reaching a consensus to replace him with Eyitayo Jegede, had, if anything, spurred the people to vote his self-serving administration out of office. It is not Eyitayo Jegede's fault that Governor Akeredolu failed as a governor, and that the people identified Jegede as a rallying point in their quest for a new and purposeful leadership of Ondo State. Governor Akeredolu wasted his own chance that was given to him and should have nobody to blame but himself for the electoral loss that will befall him on Saturday. If Governor Akeredolu had done well in the last 4 years, he would have been celebrating his achievements instead of threatening his people, running from pillar to post to manipulate the election and seeking to drag in the presidency. Our campaign therefore calls on President Muhammadu Buhari not to succumb to prayer of a failed governor and the APC to renege in his resolve not to interfere in elections, as amply witnessed in the September 19 Edo election. We invite Mr. President to note the applauses and commendations coming from all parts of our nation, as well as the global community, over the non-interference of the presidency in the conduct of a free, fair, and credible election in Edo governorship, a development that has allowed the will of the people to prevail. Mr. President must not allow a failed governor who had been justly rejected by his own people for non-performance and who has declared his citizens as his enemies for life to detract from his desire in the regard of holding a credible, free, and fair election. Our campaign, therefore, urges President Buhari to adopt the same Edo stance in ensuring a free, fair, and credible election in Ondo with regard to partisan consideration, so that he can leave a legacy of electoral uprightness for which posterity and history can be kind to him. We make this demand because it is clear that the tide favors the People's Democratic Party candidate, Eyitayo, Eyiloluwayan, Eyilanfe, Jegede, in this election, and any attempt to manipulate the electoral process at any level will be a recipe for a breakdown of law and order in Ondo State, which we believe Mr. President will not want at this critical time. Mr. President should also note the ongoing spate of violence already being perpetrated on the streets of Ondo State by APC murderous agents. We therefore call on President Buhari to direct the police as well as the Department of State Security to clean the ground for a peaceful election by immediately pulling in characters like Isaac Kekemeke and other agents of violence allegedly assembled by APC to perpetrate violence during this election. This is more so as information available to our party indicates that such characters plot to pose as agents of federal authorities and unleash mayhem on the people on Saturday. Mr. President is therefore further urged to direct INEC and security agencies to restrict themselves to their statutory responsibilities, as the Ondo people are ready to treat violators as fake security and fake INEC operatives. The PDP National Campaign stands with the people of Ondo State in their determination to rescue their state from the stranglehold of Akeredolu's self-serving government on Saturday, and nothing will stop the people from achieving their collective result. I welcome you all.